Ever wondered how to transform your Canon EOS R10 into a professional-grade webcam for all your streaming needs? First things first, you'll need to download and install the Canon EOS Webcam Utility software on your computer. Visit the official Canon website and search for the utility compatible with your operating system. Once installed, grab your USB cable and connect your Canon EOS R10 directly to your computer. Make sure it's a data transfer cable, not just a charging cable, to ensure proper detection. Now, power on your Canon EOS R10 and set the mode dial to movie mode. This is crucial for a continuous video feed and optimal performance during your stream. Open your preferred streaming software, whether it's OBS Studio, Zoom, or another platform. Locate the video input or source selection menu, and you should see the Canon EOS Webcam Utility listed as an available option. Select the Canon EOS Webcam Utility as your video source, and just like that, your Canon EOS R10 is now ready to deliver stunning high-quality video for your live broadcasts, improving your visual presence significantly. This setup unlocks the full potential of your camera, providing superior image quality compared to standard webcams, perfect for elevating your live content.